The new Bachelor of Science Honours in Architectural Studies program extends the School of Design's long history of education in spatial design with a focus on human-centered principles. The emphasis on design practices and design materialization integrates advanced technology, creative thinking, and the experiences of space to prepare students for the dynamic field of architecture. The School of Design Studio serves as a collaborative classroom where architecture students engage in hands-on learning. It fosters creativity and innovation, allowing students to work on real-world projects and receive mentorship from the school's industry and academic experts. The studio therefore allows for the development of critical design skills essential for transforming ideas into tangible architectural design. Every architectural student will complete a capstone design project before graduating. The capstone project is a culminating academic experience where students apply their knowledge and skills to a comprehensive, real-world challenge. It involves extensive research, design, and problem solving, often addressing complex issues. This project demonstrates the students' proficiency and readiness for the professional practice of architecture.